Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. The magazine name is Abkari. The editor is Sheikhul Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Chokdai Dawate Barakatum Alia. The topic is A Man Beyond Time and Space, episode number 4, Allama Lahoti Prasari. The previous topic is the price of neglect, a jin's warning. Second previous, the explanation of the wedding. The topic is a convents of the great jinn. Everywhere bustling with activity, the place said gently as a large boat rock will floating in water. Haji Sahab said to me, now we will return with the wedding procession inside this Lahoti place. Before this, I had seen the mounts we travelled on, and almost all the great jinn used these mounts. Let me describe them to you. They are giant vulture like creature, larger than even the biggest airplanes, with hundreds of massive wings. Each wing contain a room like chamber, and between the room are connecting passages. These vulture vary in size, some smaller, some even larger. This their speed is such that you could travel from any city in Pakistan to Medina Munawwara in just 17 minutes. I have traveled on them countless times with Haji Sahab. A night of divine duty, and the Sahabi Baba visiting many cities as well as Makkah, Medina, and Baitul Muqaddas. All of these were Lahoti journey. Just a few months ago, one night I had gone to bed late because my child had been crying from ear pain. I applied medicine according to the Sunnah, recite supplications, and he felt relief. I and just lain down when I heard that the call of a kite bird of prey. This is actually the signal that Haji Sahab is arriving. I got up surprised and asked if everything was alright as it was so late at night. He replied, from the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina, there is a command for you, for me, and for Sahabi Baba. I got up, performed ablution, changed clothes, applied perfume, and wore a pair of shoes I own that are made exactly in the style of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Blazed sandals. I set off with them in my haste. The small clock that usually lay by me pillow somehow slipped into my pocket along with other belonging. That night, when I reached the Harman Sharif to offer solution, I realized only. To be continued, please watching, please like, share, subscribe the channel.